It has been a little over 2 years since the craziness of the pandemic era stock market started. And it's official, the S&P and the NASDAQ this month are headed for their worst month since March of 2020. But in this video, I specifically want to focus on the NASDAQ and 4 stocks in the NASDAQ composite that I believe can beat both the S&P and the NASDAQ over the next 12 months. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Richard Allen with TipRanks TV. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Wow, what a crazy month it has been so far for April 2022. This is so far the worst month in both the S&P and the NASDAQ that we've had since March of 2020, which is when we had the most pain at the beginning of the pandemic for the stock market. In looking for different opportunities out there in the market, I want to talk about 4 stocks that may beat the S&P and the NASDAQ over the next 12 months. And the first company on that list is Palo Alto Networks. Palo Alto Networks is the $50+ billion market cap cybersecurity company trading under the ticker symbol PANW. Palo Alto Networks is a strong buy based on 24 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 13%. The reason Palo Alto Networks is special under this current environment is of everything that's going on with Russia, China, the United States, Ukraine, all these different political tensions and geopolitical tensions going on right now, I believe will cause countries around the world to spend more money on cybersecurity. And in turn, companies like Palo Alto Networks, Palantir, Crowdstrike, companies like that, I believe will do well under this environment. And I don't see this tension subsiding anytime soon. So a company like Palo Alto Networks, I believe will do well over the next 12 months. But of course, let me know what you think down in the comments. The second company on the list is a company in the semiconductor space. It's called Microchip. Microchip, trading under the ticker symbol MCHP, is a semiconductor and microcontroller $5 billion market cap company with a moderate buy rating based on 16 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 36%. Again, not the biggest upside we've seen for a company, but I certainly believe that 36% over the next 12 months will beat both the S&P and the NASDAQ. But of course, I could be wrong. The reason I think Microchip will do well over the next 12 months is I don't see the semiconductor bottlenecks and supply chain issues fixing themselves anytime soon. And I think Microchip could certainly benefit from that. So the third and fourth companies on this list will probably be a bit controversial. So let me know how you feel in the comments once we talk about these next couple companies because of recent earnings. The third company on the list is Netflix. Netflix, trading under the ticker symbol NFLX, has a hold rating right now with 39 ratings, 29 of which are hold ratings right now. But if you take a peek at the upside, there is a 50% upside over the next 12 months. And again, we're just trying to beat the S&P and the NASDAQ. The reason Netflix is on the list for me is I believe they will do better than both the S&P and the NASDAQ over the course of the next 12 months. I think Netflix has been beaten down from recent quarters and actual customer losses. However, I believe competition is key to a thriving business, and I think Netflix finally has that from the likes of Disney and now the new company with HBO Max and Discovery with Warner Brothers. So let me know how you feel about Netflix. I believe that Netflix will be around for a long time, and I think competition is healthy and will cause Netflix to reevaluate their business a little bit and make some changes that I think will be good for the company overall. But of course, I want to hear your opinion. If you think I'm crazy adding Netflix to this list, let me know down in the comments. If you think it's brilliant, let me know down in the comments as well. The fourth company on the list is Amazon. Terrible day today, down more than 12% as of recording this video, reporting the first quarterly loss in 7 years. terrible time for Amazon right now. But again, if we take a peek at what the analysts think about Amazon trading under the ticker symbol AMZN, this is a strong buy based on 40 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 48%. Now remember, with Amazon, we have a stock split coming up as well. And one of the major things that drug Amazon down, that I don't believe Amazon could have seen coming, was their massive stake in Rivian. And Rivian has crashed drastically since the IPO. So, what do you guys think about Amazon going forward? Do you think Amazon will be around? Do you think they're going to reevaluate their business? Or do you think Amazon will just crumble? Let me know. Do you think they're not worth it at these levels? I certainly do, or they wouldn't be on this list. But remember, I'm trying to find 4 stocks that will beat the S&P and the NASDAQ over the next 12 months. Let me know what you think about this list of 4 companies that we just talked about in this video. And if you have a completely different list, let me know what your favorite 4 companies are down in the comments. I want to hear from you, and have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you in the next one.